Matter and its composition. Characteristics of matter. Matter can be perceived by our senses. It occupies space and has a definite mass. The illustrations show that matter exhibits all these features. The three states of matter. The differences between solid, liquid, and gas occur primarily due to the packing of the molecules in them. In solids, the molecules are closely packed and can hardly move around. In liquids, the molecules have enough space between them to move around freely. The molecules are far apart in gases and hence exhibit random motion in all directions. Characteristics of the three states of matter. The table compares the characteristics of the three states of matter in detail. Interconversion of states of matter. The three states of matter can be interconverted. Solid on heating or melting becomes liquid, which on condensing or cooling solidifies. Similarly, liquid on heating or boiling turns into the vapor state. The vapors on condensing liquefy. Some solids like iodine on heating directly vaporize without becoming liquids. This is called sublimation. When these vapors are cooled, the solid is got back. Melting and solidification. When a solid is heated, it fuses or melts to give a liquid. This process is called melting and takes place at a fixed temperature called the melting point. This is because when temperature increases, the molecules overcome their intermolecular force of attraction and start moving around. At the melting point, they completely break free and turn into liquid. When the heat energy is removed from the liquid, it undergoes solidification or freezing due to the molecules regaining their attraction for each other. The melting point of pure ice is 0 degrees centigrade at a pressure of 1 atmosphere. Vaporization and condensation. On heating, the liquid changes into the gaseous state. This is called vaporization. The change of liquid to vapor slowly at any temperature is called evaporation. However, the fixed temperature at which the liquid changes to vapor is called boiling point. The boiling point of pure water at 1 atmosphere pressure is 100 degrees centigrade. The change of state from gaseous state to liquid state is called condensation. Again, we can attribute vaporization and condensation to the intermolecular forces of attraction and the effect of heat on them. Clouds containing water vapor condense to give rain. Sublimation. Sublimation is the process of conversion of a solid directly into the vapor state without its attaining the liquid state. You might have noticed naphthalene balls disappearing after a few days when you expose them. This is because they directly pass into the vapor state without liquefying. This is called sublimation. States of common substances. Here are the states of certain substances at room temperature. Carbon dioxide in air is in the gaseous state at room temperature. Hence, it is referred to as carbon dioxide gas. Petrol exists as a liquid at room temperature. However, it is a very volatile liquid. The gaseous state of petrol is referred to as petrol vapor and not petrol gas. Iodine exists as a solid. However, on heating, it vaporizes directly to iodine vapors. Postulates of kinetic theory. All matter is made up of small particles called molecules. Molecules are in constant motion. The rate of molecular motion, however, depends on the thermal or heat energy of the molecules. As the distance between these molecules increases, their attraction for each other decreases and vice versa. Boiling and kinetic theory of matter. There is an attractive force existing between the molecules of a liquid. A molecule at the center is attracted by molecules all around. If a molecule at the surface has sufficient energy to overcome the intermolecular attraction of the liquid state, it leaves the surface and escapes. This is called evaporation. When the temperature is raised, more particles leave the surface. This is the temperature at which boiling starts. This is the boiling point of that liquid. At this temperature, only change of state takes place and the temperature of the liquid does not increase till all of it is converted to the vapor state. The arrows between molecules show the attractive force existing between them.